Hi guys, so today right now we have something important to explain to you and want to disclose, really bring forward what happened in the Google latest updates. How can you utilize this? I got Dinesh, the expert in schema implementation at ClickDo for our clients, our website, our Seekhouse properties, all our blogs. He's the expert in schema implementation. So something really good happened on Google. So Dinesh is going to explain some things that you should know and how you can utilize it. And yeah, Dinesh, let's explain to people how they can utilize the schema and what they should be knowing and what happens. Show some live examples as well to them.
Yeah, so hello everyone, and today we are going to see all about like FAQ schema. So hope you are mostly will be aware of these things, because the recently for all the blogs, money pages, we are seeing this frequently asked questions popping up behind the search results. So let's see how to implement that to our own website, and even Google had made some changes in the recent update, so we can go through about that. So let's get into that. So first of all, this is the live example of how FAQ schema will look like. So basically, you need to publish these questions with some answers in your landing page. So ideally, this page is about SEO consultant. This is our own website. So we have implemented and we have seen the results successfully. So let me take you to the thing. So if you search for like SEO consultant London, like ideally you can see the FAQs popping up behind that normal search results. So it's simple like we have implemented the structured data, and there is a science behind doing this. So it's not just like putting up the questions what we have in mind. We need to do some research, proper research, and we need to put what users are seeking for, what Google likes to show it for the users.
Show some clients as well, some examples. Also recent thing about how we start appearing on the homepage. You can show like hair transplant, pest control. Many industries we've been doing that. Dinesh is doing for like so many clients. We've been doing that, and also if you're a client of ours, and you can
so this
always
is for hair transplant. So this is our client website. We have implemented this like few days back, and we have it's already popping up in the search results. So if you check this landing page, you can see the same questions with answers we have added at the bottom of the page. So it's all related to like, see here, we have here. So the same thing is appearing in the search result. So how it will happen is that it's not just about adding this here. We need to add a thing called structured data at the back end of this page. So it's like a script. We need to add it by optimizing for this Google. So once we add it and submit it through Search Console, then very soon we can see this kind of results in the search results. But there's a thing. This FAQ things will not appear other than the maybe it will not appear in the second or third page of Google. It will appear only in the search results, which is showing the first page of the Google results. So this is one of the real-time examples.
Is it the case, Dinesh? It only shows on first page?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I'm sure. So it's not showing the second page, but even if your page is in the second page, if you implement this, it's a positive sign. You may see some improvements. So once if it comes to the first page, then the same time you can see this kind of results showing in the thing. So that's the reason. Even if your web page is not in the first page, definitely you need to implement these things.
Yeah, also for like show it to Pest Control London, it's like it's coming so well. You can sign up from your Google and show it, or
so this is one of our client, Pest Control in London. So you can see it's already popping here. So
it's for the home page, right?
So this is the thing which I need to explain in this live thing. So let me go back to the slide. So here, like there is this is a simple example which is showing for the sub pages. Like SEO consultant is a sub page, and it's not the home page. So before this update, like before 2 weeks, like FAQs are appearing only in the sub pages and not in the home page. Even if we have implemented in the home page, it will not appear. But after the update in the recent times, Google started showing the schema in the home page. So this is one of the live example which shows like for the home page. So for Pest Control in London, this is the home page of the website which we are targeting, and the FAQ is already in the showing the search results. So this is the change which Google, I have seen very recently in Google search appearance. So that is the reason I'm insisting you to go for this FAQ thing implementation because it will add more value, and Google is started giving more importance to this kind of on-page factors. So this is a very simple way to do it. It's not a much of work. So all that you need to put some effort to in finding the right questions and writing the
Yeah.
proper content that user will love to read, and like ideally they should find some useful information from your things. It's not just putting and promoting your brand. We should
Yeah.
add value to the users and also to your brand. So
Yeah.
just make it more user friendly and more informative.
Today you sent to implement on quick pasters as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
We
that's
have,
gonna be.
so it should be appearing very soon. We have just started this for people.
I'm just trying to wonder, Dinesh, what will happen
Mhm.
if the star is happening. For example, if you go to Google, I'm just trying to. We'll have to also, like, so for example, if you Google PBN hosting,
Yeah.
right? So for that kind of page,
Yeah, we have. See?
yeah, we have it. But how can? Yeah, this is actually a good one. But that schema is a
Yeah.
different one. But there is no way people can, I think, get the both.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
think they
Because
can.
this involves like a lot of work, because we need to, it's the schema is there, but the people should know to how to implement them in a proper way. Like it should not be any errors. For example, there's a Google has online tool to check. Like you can just go for schema testing tool and just click on this. So let me just show the pest control in this site.
Yeah.
So this site I'm just putting here. So if we have implemented, we can test it by using this tool whether our implementation is right or wrong. So this will show like how what schema our web page contains. See, this pest control in London has FAQ page FAQ schema successfully implemented, so it doesn't have any errors or warnings. So suppose in case if you made any mistakes in the implementation,
Okay.
then we can
Yeah.
found it here. So this is
Yeah.
how we can simply do the implementation in the right way. So there are not only these two type of star schema, there are many types of schema available. Like still we need to explore more, and it depends on the business niche which we are promoting. For example, Seekohost, since it's a so like a digital product kind of service, we can we have implemented this pricing thing, but we can't do this for other sites which is related to maybe blogging site. We can't do this.
Yeah, it
So
has to be differentiated, right?
yeah,
It has to be different. So because this is a pricing related one, and it
yeah,
actually works well for this kind of thing, but
yeah.
definitely different.
So definitely anyone can use this structured data testing tool. Even you can test whether before implementing also you can test. It's not about just testing the URL. Even you can run the code snippet directly here, drop the snippet and test it. So it's not a
Yeah.
big task. So everything Google offers, we need to utilize it properly.
Yeah.
So so far, like this is the change which Google have recently made, but still I would like to show you like what are the things you can make out of it, like how to choose the best questions that user loves. So best in the sense, these are the five factors which you need to give importance before choosing the questions. Say search, choose the questions based on the user intent. Say for example, we are going for go back to the example like the hair transplant. So here the user may searching for the service treatment may be looking for all these kind of questions. The user will have all these questions in their mind, like how long it will take to do the hair transplant. Is there any side effects doing this hair transplant? How is it safe? Or will it will I have to keep on going for the treatment if I do this kind of treatment? So there are a lot of questions in the user mind before getting into this type of treatment. So try to cover as much as you can, because Google has no limitations to show the stuffs here. It will show maximum number of things. Still, if you have like more than this numbers, it will show like more option here. So people can click on that and directly go to your web page and read it. So it's all about choosing the questions based on the proper user intent. So that is the first thing. Second thing, check what Google suggests. Say for example, this is the keyword which I am searching, the hair transplant. Here already there are some questions which Google is suggesting for the users. You see, right? So try to put these questions and make them available in your website. So if you click on this, you may see some more questions popping up. So try to cover all these questions at the same time. Make sure that is well informative for your users and also for your website. So try to cover this what Google is suggesting, and so that's what we need to do when we are going for FAQ. So it's not about just adding the questions what we like. We should add what Google likes to show, what user likes to search. So there are many factors behind that. So next thing, try to add LSI keywords. So this is the hair transplant is the keyword. When you scroll down fully at the bottom, these are some of the relevant keywords, but not the question based things. In rare cases, you may find some questions here. So if you find any questions, you can add. Say we are having like what is the. So even it's you can add this. Is the hair transplant painful? So these are question based queries. So absolutely you can add these kind of questions to your page. So this is how you can make your content better, perform better in your Google search, and even if you're ranking maybe at the 6th or 7th position, if you implement these things, your site have more chances of moving up. So these are the basic things. So these are the 5 things which you need to give importance. For example, the user intent, try to get the questions what Google suggests, try to pick some keywords from LSI thing, and add more FAQ. It's not, you are not going to just add 3 or 4. Just add as many as you can and make the content more informative for the users. So there are some advantages of adding FAQ, Suma. So basically, first thing is that if only your site has the FAQ in the first page, then absolutely we will stand out of the competitors. So user can try to figure out your site separately comparing to your competitors. So it's try to add FAQ to your website and make it more informative. So it will get help you get more user attention. Even it will add users can get more information, which increases the click-through rate. So these are some advantages of using FAQ schema. Even it adds value to the SEO as well. So these are the things. So how to implement FAQ schema? It's not a big task. There are a lot of sources in the article. Even I'm planning to do a separate session and show you how to properly implement the things. So just go back to the Google and just try these stuffs, implement to your blogging website, either it's a business website, just start implementing today. So that's it, Fernando. Do you have anything to add up to this?
Guys, so Dinesh pretty much covered the thing. I hope you guys heard everything, right? Good, right? So anyway, for guys, you guys can ask any questions if you're watching this video, and please share it for more awareness creation for ClickDoers. And as Dinesh and me is bringing more and more sessions of for explaining about SEO, how to utilize SEO, how SEO works, and how we are doing at ClickDo, and helping our clients, helping our business, mainly really scoring for Seekerhost, applying all those things, and our own blog. So we'll be coming back again tomorrow, every weekday. We're coming back live, bringing up things. If you have any questions, you can drop below and ask us what to be covered, and we will be bringing it up to you. So yeah, Dinesh, let's wrap this thing up.
Yeah. So okay, thank you guys for watching. We will come up with the next session very soon.